A port. We want it to be in DIC. We go to the first one. Find the retina. Focus. Now we have the tissue here. We pick a place where we think that can be okay to take a picture. For example, here. And now we want to go to, for example, 100x. That is the maximum. So we go down here, we press this button, set all the objectives down, and now we can manually turn. This is 40, 60, and now we are going to work with 100x. It's the same for all of them, and you can put it there. And very gently, we put a small drop there and put it back. When we put it back, we can push the button up, that is here, and you can see it's automatically going there. So now you have to focus again a little bit, check another part, pick another part if you want, and trying to center in the place where you want. In this case, that is all what you need. Later on, you can just go to the laser, changing here the filter, and turning off the light for the DIC, so you can see whatever you find there. Turn on the light, and here we have the MPG1 that is there, so we still looking for a good place, which is the best place that we want. Okay, I want to keep this one. You turn off the lights and come here. So since I'm in 100x, I'm going to click here. I'm going to scan it. Expand. I want to have I had to remove the interlock to have a visual, and I want to have, I click here to have all the pictures of what I'm seeing. Here is kind of not very bright for those things, so I started to crank it up. Most of them, I start seeing things. Here I have the red. Everything is more or less okay. And now I'm going to find the good position here in the C-stack. So I click that as a top, and I'm going up. I'm going up. I think I still having things here. I put this as a top, but I will be still going up. I think that here disappear. This is moving too much. But here we have a red that is better. So perhaps the bottom is at least here. So I have more or less an idea where is it. Now it's a more or less idea. I close this, I keep this tab, but now we are going to work with 4 channels. You can come here directly, click this one that have the DIC, start scanning. we have a good here, but these two ones are 0. I started to crank it up a little bit, the cyan, for example, a little bit, a lot, and here we can start having some of the DNA. I would like to have some green too. And not much is going on. I will check. You can see that I have a lot of background here. I will check going up if we can have a better image. Specifically here. Now you can start seeing that something is starting to stain. Some green. I'm in the top. I'm going farther up. Still having something. Farther up. Farther up. I'm still having this. I'm still having this. And you can see that I'm not out of focus here in the icing. I think that that is enough because I'm going too far up. Now I have a 23, 24. This is not that good. I'm going down. Sorry, I went down too much. I have to find a bottom for this because this is too much. 23 for sure is not. Here I think that it starts to disappear, what we want. So I'm going to set this as a new bottom, and this is 18. So now that more or less I have an idea, I'm going to set this. I can assign a current setting. I'm going to go here also. And I'm going to start again scanning. And see what I have. In the bottom, the outer segments are better staining. So I'm going to go down a little bit. So for the outer segments, I think that the inner segment and the outer segment are in different planes. So that's why I have so much difference. This is definitely a bottom. And now I'm in 25 microns. Something is not good. Perhaps it's better to find another spot here. But the intensity of these ones are good. You can see that you have to have this click. None of them is saturating. So the intensity is fine for both. And they are good images. So one thing that you can be done and need to be done in 100x is to set this, the zoom here that you have here set that the zoom for 100x need to be 1.42. So you come here and click 1.42 and now you are able to rotate. In this case this is pretty well aligned, but we can do it a little bit better. Entering here, you scan and you can see that you can make a kind of a straight line. So this is a picture ready to press. So when you have everything set, you want to take this picture, you have to come to, this need to be clicked, to the lambda, click the lambda and check that nothing is clicked. Here we have the 20x click. We can click that and we have to click the 100x because we are using that one. When we click that, we have everything set to start scanning. We can see the time is here is for 13 minutes. It's kind of a lot, probably it's going to be double. And for 100x specifically, we have a step size of 0.2, not 0.4. So we modify this, and it's going to duplicate the amount of steps that are necessary. It's 120x steps. This is a lot, and also when you are doing both things, that's going to take forever. So we are going to pick another section that have better thing. But as a video, it's good to know what is not good to have it.